Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some Valorant Crosshair colors that you should try. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open Valorant on the device, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Navigate to the Crosshair tab. Under the General section, find the primary color settings. Click the drop-down menu to see color options. Try these recommended colors. Cyan is bright color and easy to spot on most maps. It contrasts well with both light and dark backgrounds. Yellow is vibrant color and stands out, especially on darker backgrounds, which helps you to spot enemies quickly. Green is one of the brightest colors, great for visibility and doesn't blend in the most map elements. Magenta or pink is unique color that many players find easy to see and less commonly used by teammates, which reduces confusion. All these colors are bright and visible in the dark background, which makes it easy for players to see. Select your preferred color and make sure it's easy to see against the map's background. Test a crosshair color in a shooting range or a custom game to see what works best for you. And that's it.